Hi, I'm Brad Miller. I just want to say thank you. We exceeded our goal in raising more money to support the program this year than we thought. And with COVID, that's an amazing goal. And with little brothers like Adrian and big brother Brian, it's awesome. Your generosity has gone a long way to support the kids in our community. But don't just take it from my story that you know. Take it from all the matches that we have made since the gala auction. So thank you and for your continued support. Appreciate it.
Hey guys, my name is Ethan and I'm hoping you have a great day today. I am 15 years old and I love playing video games and I love playing basketball. Just going to let you know, with your support, I was able to get matched on September 14th. So who knows, maybe in a year or two you see my showcase at the Brad Miller event. Thanks again for your support.